Today we're cooking one of the kings of steak, the legendary T-bone, a cut that gives you the best of both worlds, the tender fillet on one side and the rich bold strip on the other. We keep it simple: salt, freshly cracked black pepper, and a touch of olive oil. Served with a fresh capri salad, juicy tomatoes, creamy mozzarella, basil, and balsamic glaze. The perfect fresh balance to a beautiful steak. After letting the steak rest at room temperature, it's ready to be seasoned. We keep it simple: generous salt and freshly cracked black pepper, then gently press the seasoning into the meat, helping those flavors absorb so every bit is rich, bold, and full of flavor. The steak goes straight into a hot pan, starting with the sides. This helps render the fat and build flavor right from the beginning. Once the pan is nice and hot, we begin searing the steak. We cook it about 1 minute per side, turning it several times to develop an even crust. As the surface cooks, the heat creates that beautiful golden brown texture. This is where flavor really begins to build. The goal here is to create a deep caramelized crust on the outside, while keeping the inside tender and juicy. You can already see the color starting to develop and the texture changing. That's exactly what we want before moving on to the next stage. We add butter and fresh rosemary to the pan. As the butter melts, it begins to foam, releasing that beautiful aroma of the herbs and rich nutty flavor. Using the rosemary like a brush, we baste the steak, coating it in the hot butter while the flavors soak deep into the meat. Then we turn the steak over and repeat the process on the other side, making sure every surface is covered in that fragrant butter and rosemary. For this steak, we're cooking it well done, allowing the heat to cook it all the way through while still keeping it juicy and full of flavor. Once it's ready, the steak comes straight out of the pan and onto the plate to rest for a few minutes while we prepare the salad. While the steak rests, we prepare something fresh to balance the richness of the meat: a simple capri salad. We start by slicing the fresh, ripe tomatoes and laying them neatly onto a plate. Next comes the fresh mozzarella, cut into soft, creamy slices and placed gently alongside the tomatoes. Then we add the fresh basil, picked straight from the plant. The aroma of basil brings a beautiful freshness to the dish. We place the basil leaves between the tomatoes and mozzarella, building those classic caprese flavors. Finally, we finish with a drizzle of balsamic glaze, adding a touch of sweetness and acidity that brings the whole salad together. Simple ingredients, fresh flavors, and the perfect companion to a beautifully cooked steak. Now that the steak has rested, it's time to cut. Standing the T-bone upright, we carefully slice the meat away from the bone, separating the two beautiful cuts. You can see the color inside, perfectly cooked through, just the way we wanted it. Then we slice the steak into thick pieces revealing the texture and richness of the meat. Once plated, the bone goes back on the plate, bringing that classic T-bone presentation together. And to finish the dish, a final little drizzle of balsamic glaze, adding a touch of sweetness that completes the plate. And now for the best part, the taste. Tender, rich and full of flavor, a beautiful T-bone steak paired with a fresh capri salad.